Statistics mention that less than 0.07% of the Indian households own a second home. This percentage is significantly higher in the Western countries. Alife is a smart home ownership platform that allows you to own a part of a holiday home and earn returns from it too. In this Alife review, let's explore this asset class in detail. What is Alife Smart Ownership? Alife is India's first tech-enabled holiday home platform where you can invest in a holiday home in popular locations like Goa, Lonavala, Alibag, etc. at 1/10 of the cost and benefit from regular rental income as well as capital gains from the price appreciation. Being one of the part owners of the holiday home, you also get an allocated set of days during which you can use the holiday home yourself. How Alife Smart Ownership works. Alife team identifies holiday homes in popular tourism hotspots like Goa, Lonavala and Alibag, considering rental income potential as well as capital gains. A limited liability partnership is formed consisting of up to 10 partners, each of whom owns 1/10 share of the total ownership in that particular holiday home asset. You can own the number of shares as per your requirement and budget. Start getting regular rental income and capital gains on selling your shares when needed. You can even use the property as your own holiday home by staying for a number of designated days in a year there. A Alife team takes care of the operations including property management, hospitality, scheduling and payments. Now let's have a look at Alife versus commercial real estate platforms. A key feature that makes Alife attractive as compared to other real estate platforms is the exit mechanism. As most CRE platforms have multiple investors and large properties, exit can be challenging as compared to Alife where selling 1 to 2 crore rupees apartments is a very normal process. Moreover, investors can sell the apartment even if the Alife platform is not there, as only 10 people are part of LLP and consensus can be quickly taken. Thank you for watching the video. To know more about alternative investments, visit randomtimes.com.